Good morning. I am in Tammerton Foilett, probably not how you pronounce it. Down that road, at the end of this road actually, is the start of the Tamor Discovery Trail that I started, last year. Still to complete. Anyway, I am going down here. There is a nature reserve apparently, so I'm going to explore. I have my thermos of tea and a packet of biscuits, and I shall wander down here and have morning tea and see what there is. It's a bit chillier today, and I almost couldn't find my gloves, but I did remember that I had a woolly hat and a pair of gloves stashed in the back of the car still, that I keep there for emergencies. So I'm glad they were there. I mean that's very interesting for a start. No idea, but we shall go down this lane next to it. So that's that. Has our own post box down there, and I've seen the mailman come and collect. So we shall wander down here and bring you back later. Don't know if you'll be able to see that very well with the reflection, but let's go. Right through the trees, I am basically at the beginning of the River Tavi. It's an offshoot, comes off the River Tamar. I think we'll get closer to it at a point. Looks like they've tried to block off the path down there. Anyway, we shall go for a wander around. I wore my ankle wellies today because I wasn't sure what the ground was going to be like, but looks like I could have worn me walking shoes without too much problem. Very still today. Looks like you can get down to the shoreline via that little bit there, so wish. But seaweedy. But on a hot day, I suppose you could go in and dip your toes. Right, onward. That's a railway bridge there. Train just went over it a couple of minutes ago. Really noisy. Lots of bird noises. Well, that's just a shell of a tree, isn't it? Well, oh, I just met a woman who's been swimming. Yeah, that's right, swimming It's rather chilly out, let alone in the water. But I suppose you get used to it. She had a little, I think it was a Brompton, one of those little folding bikes. So there you go, this must be a nice spot to come in the warm weather. Just how I thought this could be a nice little spot to come down and, I mean, well, I could do some cooking. Wouldn't be a fire, but it would be, well, I suppose it would be like a contained fire. Like my mini barbecue thing. Probably not allowed that. Oh well, I might do it on Trangia. We'll see. And there's the bridge close up. And it comes to a dead end. And then I have to find the path that loops back round. I missed the turning off somewhere. Might have been when I was talking to that woman. And here I am back at the beginning. So it was a little walk, but I found it enjoyable. Right, so I'm back in the car, having my usual cup of tea. Oh, excuse the slurping. It was a nice little walk, actually. It's not very long. Probably about 1.5 miles, I suppose. But I took my time and places. Tried to remember to up my pace so I can get me walking back in, you know, sync, and a little bit of up and down. Enough to warm me up for going up. You'll probably seen some little waterfalls. Walks all along the Tamar. No, Tevi River, sorry. Now, if that would be a nice place to possibly, if I had a kayak, you come down here and launch your kayak from here on the river. Looked very calm today, but you know, something to store in the back of the old mind. Not that I remember many things. Anyway, thanks for watching. Give us a little like if you could. Apparently that's what matters now on YouTube, as you'll probably find with everyone saying it on their videos. So I might just give you a little reminder. Anyway, catch you on the next one.